It all seems to be a very fascinating concept. So, what's the story behind it?
So, arrange it all, as I call it, my third baby. I'm a mother of two kids. And so, home for me was always a very special, safe space. Like, growing up as a child, also, I was very organized. So, it's a basic homes. I have realized that, you can make it look very, very functional and at the same time very pretty also. It need not be really, very well interiors done or something like that for home to feel that for you. Space is very very emotional for me. 20 जब कोविड हुआ था, so that time I realized that everyone was very very stressed for space, right? Skill that, like cooking मुझे बहुत ऑर्गेनिकली नहीं आती है, वैसे हो सकता है और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सबको ऑर्गेनिकली नहीं आती होगी, बट
Right.
इट्स अ स्किल। जैसे मैं कुकिंग सीख सकती हूँ, वैसे कोई ऑर्गेनाइजिंग भी सीख सकता है। एंड वी आर इन 2025, वी हैव डन 300 plus homes where we have decluttered and
Fantastic.
organized homes, and slowly and steadily the idea graduated from just an idea to a business model to a one man show to a proper team. It's been a process that has been slow, and I have been also evolving with it. Always go by, we always will focus on functionality first, and उसके बाद हम एस्थेटिक्स पे आते हैं। बिकॉज आपको
Right.
उस घर में रहना है, रोज ऑपरेट करना है, सो वी विल ऑलवेज मेक क्रिएट सिंपल सिस्टम्स जिसकी वजह से आपकी जिंदगी आसान हो। जहां कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी आती है वहां मेंटेनेंस नहीं होता है।
To make a business model out of the idea that you have is not an easy task, right? So, what was the trigger point? So, was there any specific trigger point that you felt where this is of course my interest, and I want to convert this interest into a full-fledged business model for myself.
वार्डरोब का इंटरनल हाइट्स एंड ड्रॉर्स एंड कैटेगरीज कैसे होने चाहिए, बिकॉज आई यूज टू फाइंड दैट मिसिंग इन जनरलाइज रेंटेड होम्स वार्डरोब्स में। सो आई वाज
Can you run us through the first couple of years of entrepreneurship? Because, what were the initial thoughts before jumping into and making it into a full-scale, business model? So, what
इट इतना रोमांटिसाइज नहीं किया था
नहीं किया था?
कि मैं क्या करती हूँ। बिकॉज लोगों को जब मैं बोलती थी मैं कि मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ, तो लगता था कि किसी को समझ नहीं आता था फ्रैंकली, और मुझे ही नहीं समझ में आता था कैसे समझाऊं। I didn't
Correct.
know how to explain people because it was such a niche concept that people used to think you'll come and clean my wardrobe, you'll come and clean my house. What will you exactly do? To keep that belief aside and believe कि नहीं, what I am doing is actually creating difference in someone's life takes a lot of courage and at the same time conviction that madness needs to be there.